welcome back. It is -5 degrees Celsius. And it is grey. It's like looking at a black and white picture. Not a single color. We had a little bit of a blue sky in the morning, but that's gone as well. It's cloudy. All of the frost and then the evergreens that turned black due to the contrast. It's so odd to watch, but so pretty. It never gets bored. No, Brown? You bored? No? Well, it's a new week. As you can see, it's winter. We have -degrees Celsius at this moment, but we are expecting much warmer weather later this week, like 10 degrees plus. We have a Christmas market on the schedule this week. We're going on Saturday. There's one in the area, so we're going to visit that. That's exciting. Yeah. But we're enjoying this magical view while it's still here. And before it all melts away again. Kalle? Hey Kees. Hey Kees, wat ik heb. Kees, kom hier. Kom hier. Oeh, lekker lekker. I'm giving them some extra plant protein and nutrients with peas and like the actual peas and the plant, like the microgreen from peas, which we had left from our previous microgreens batch, and they can eat it, so they have their extra vitamins and minerals and proteins which they can't forage during winter, of course. So, that's nice. And all of a sudden, everything went dark. Not just outside, but inside too. There was a power outage. It's something that happens here quite often, and usually we know about it beforehand. But not this time. Luckily, we're always prepared. With a water tank, plenty of firewood and our wood burning stove. But in the winter it's especially challenging. Because darkness comes early. Living in the forest means constantly adjusting. But you get used to it quickly. You adapt and find solutions. We make things extra cozy with candles and pancakes on the stove. The electricity will come back eventually. Hey schatjes. So we're going to the very first julmarknad here in this area at least. Ga je dat als ladder gebruiken?
Misschien dat dat wel kan. Wat wil jij dan?
Wil ik dat proberen?
Waarom dan?
Je bent trouwens niet lang genoeg om het te redden. Dat had je niet. Het huishoudtrapje halen.
Dan moet ik wel gaan gooien. Dan moet jij mij vasthouden, want ik heb geen hand vrij. Nou ja, niet dat. Oh, ja.
Yes! We're using this little barn. It's from the landowner over here, but we're using it for the hay storage. And it's just this dark spot when we're looking outside of our kitchen window. It's a dark spot into the forest, so we thought maybe make it a bit cozier. Hang some lights on this old barn, give it a bit of life.
A bit of love.
A love.
A bit of light in the darkness.
Yes. So if you're looking outside our kitchen window into the dark forest, you see this cozy little barn. It's like the Christmas stable. We need to put this Joseph and Maria over here.
Could make a nice play, yeah.
Yeah. Well, I'm
Wow.
curious how it looks in the dark. Nice.
If you want to fact check if your paint is real from the Dalarna copper mines, well, if everything turns red, if you lean against it,
Yes.
you've got the real deal. So approved.
Yeah, we need to give some love to this barn sometime. But yeah.
Let's see how it looks in the dark.
Yeah. So it's quite wet outside. It's not really the Christmas vibe we're looking for, but anyhow, because it's the first weekend of Advent, we're going to have a glögg fika for the first Advent. So we'll have to clean up the mess I've made in the kitchen with all of the decorating. And that brings us to the end of chapter 2. The Advent season has begun, the time of lights, warmth and creating beautiful memories. After a week of hard work, it's wonderful to unwind for a moment. And now that we're officially allowed to enjoy glögg again, it's even better. Thank you once again for watching this episode. Have a good day and lots of love. Hej då! bed is filled with garlic and this one is filled with onion.
Ja, dat had ik nog niet gezegd, hè?